Do you think what's in this box? Huh? Come here, have a look. What's in the box? Yes, Alpha Dolly. What is that? What is it? Come on. Wow. What is this? What did Mama get for us? What is it? Oh wow. Yeah, what is it? Take it out. No, come on. What else have we got here? Baby, what's that? Floor prime. Yes. What else have we got in here? We got some tape Doddy. Yay, what else is in here? Wow. Oh, some bowling stuff. Yeah, so what's this? What is this? Wow. On the floor eating. Oh, baby, but this is so heavy. This is a heavy box. Yes. Gonna open it for Doddy? What else is in the box? Let me have a look. What's in here? What's this? Oh. Yes. And what is that? There's some more cables, Doddy. Take it out. Good girl. Good girl. What is this? Oh, come on. Help for Doddy. What's in that box? A smart thermostat. Baby, look at all these goodies. Yes. Yeah, okay, that's not sweet. Hey. Yay, it's not sweet. Yay. Yay, good girl. Give it to Doddy. Give it, baby. Baby. Baby, don't be funny. That's my toys. Hey, that's my toys, baby. You crazy girl. Close this box quickly. Close this box. This is my toys. Yes. Oh no, that too. We put it back quickly in the box before baby get it. Yes. Because this is a crazy girl. Yes, you are. You crazy girl. You want to chew everything now. Baby, leave that alone. It's daddy's toys. This time it's mine. Really? Yes, it is. Yay. Wow. Yes, it is. Good girl. Baby is a good girl. Good girl. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And you're also a funny girl. Yes. Put that also back in the box. You see? Yes, thank you for helping for Daddy for opening this box. But this time, this toys in this box is only my toys, okay? Yes. There are some cables in there. You can't chew it. No, you can't. Okay, leave the box alone, baby. Close the box. Good girl. You're such a funny girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. It's a funny girl. Yes. Uh-huh. This time it's Daddy's box. It's all about my toys. I leave that. That's a knife. Yes. It's all about my toys this time. You can only look. Yes, but not chew. Funny girl. Hello guys, it's JD here. Welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to talk about underfloor heating and if you are thinking to do it. Now you can do it yourself or you can get someone to do it for you. Well, in this case we are doing it ourselves. Now we did find on the floor after we pull up the carpet that there is a hairline crack which runs across the room. We ended up getting somebody to come have a look at this and they've told us that we need to use an anti-crack mat. Then after research we learned that using an anti-crack mat, we can using underflooring heating mat, which doing both things at the same time. The underfloor heating mat will protect the layer which is on top of the mat. So in a worst scenario, if the underfloor concrete is moving, that the flooring or the tiles above will stay in place. This is a 6 square meter concrete floor. Floor prime. Make sure that your floor are clean and level. Then we're using the sealer. After that we are using the adhesive. This is the glue which is going to stick to the underflooring heating mat. It's the same which we will use above the underflooring heating mat after we installed the underflooring heating cable. And then we will move on to do the tiling. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Give your thumbs up, hit the like and subscribe button. Now when you are about to install the underfloor heating cable, make sure that you are doing a reading test of the cables before installation and also do the same after installation. Record those readings.
So much from here, go like that. You can make zip like that. Like that. Put some and then we're gonna go that way. You know, you're talking about 3, yeah?
Yep. I'm recording, I hope you don't mind.
Maybe we should do it again because I waste the cable down. No, we should put more here. Yeah.
Now remember, when it has been installed, you need to gradually turn up the heat for those flooring. Now a lot of people suggested to wait 2 weeks before do so, that is advisable. But also, if you for testing, turn it up gradually, don't put it on full heat because that will crack. The tiles will loosen up as well. Remember to hit the subscribe button and also the like button and turn on the notification for the following videos coming up. Yes, I said it again. Guys, remember to subscribe, that helps the channel, and also a big thank you all. We reached over 300 subscribers and I just want to say a big thank you. We wouldn't done this without you guys.